Welcome, young explorers, to the land of colorful fruits and veggies. Today, let's journey together to learn about 20 of these delicious and healthy foods. All aboard our imagination train. Toot toot. First, we arrive at Apple Avenue. Apples are delicious red or green fruits that are often crunchy and sweet. You can eat them raw or in pies. Next stop is Banana Boulevard. Bananas are yellow, bendy fruits that grow in bunches. They are soft and sweet, perfect for a midday snack or a smoothie. Over at Orange Orchard, we find oranges. Oranges are round citrus fruits with a zesty peel and juicy segments inside. They make great juice. Now, at Berry Bend, we meet strawberries. Strawberries are tiny, red, and shaped like hearts. They are sweet, juicy, and full of small seeds. Zoom to Grape Grove. Grapes come in clusters, small and round like marbles. They can be red, green, or purple, and are sweet and juicy. Rolling into the next spot, Pineapple Plaza. Pineapples are big, spiky, and sweet with juicy yellow insides. You can eat them on their own or put them on a pizza. We arrive at Carrot Crescent. Carrots are long and orange with a snap when you bite them. They're even sweeter when they're cooked. Now let's visit Tomato Town. Tomatoes can be red or yellow, juicy, and often used in salads and soups. But did you know they're actually a fruit? At this stop, we see Broccoli Bay. Broccoli looks like tiny green trees that are good for you. They are delicious when steamed or eaten raw with dip. And what's this? Spinach Square. Spinach is leafy and green. These leaves make great salads or can be cooked into a variety of dishes. Look, we're at Cucumber Circle. Cucumbers are long and green with a crisp, refreshing taste. They're lovely in salads or sliced for sandwiches. Stop at Celery Street. Celery is crunchy and green, and we often eat it raw. It makes a great snack with peanut butter. The train now chugs towards Pumpkin Park. Pumpkins are big, orange, and make delicious pies, especially during the autumn. Another turn, and we are at Lettuce Lane. Lettuce is leafy and soft, making a perfect bed for salads or inside sandwiches. Just up ahead is Potato Path. Potatoes can be brown, white, or red, and you can eat them mashed, baked, or even as chips.